Alrighty, so what we're going to go over today is how to add promo banners to your website and app. So to get started, we'll head over to the marketing section and click on promo banners. And here, just to start off, you could see the best size guidelines. So the best size is going to be 1600 by 530 pixels for app, and then 1600 by 400 pixels for web. We also just have limitations on what you can load, so just make sure it's a JPEG, PNG, or a GIF, and then 1 megabyte max. Moving over to the banners, so when you come to your promo banner section, you're already going to have a bunch of Hive promo banners that you can enable on your site. So to do that, if it's an existing banner, what you can do is just go ahead, click here, and make sure it's yellow, toggled on to be enabled. And with that, just if you're adding in anything with like a specific discount on it, like the 10% off, 15% off, just make sure that you've already built that discount out in the discount section over here. And then if you want to add a completely new banner to your site, what you can do is create it. We typically suggest using Canva, create it on there, click here once you've created it to upload it, and then we'll go through these settings here. So is enabled. This is going to say, alrighty, the promo banner is enabled. It's going to show up on the site. So make sure if you want it to show that this is turned on. Hero header image. This is going to be if you want the promo banner to show up full width across your homepage. So with that, if you do, click here to enable. If not, you can leave it just disabled. Set the priority. This is going to be just for how you want the order of the banners to appear. So the higher the priority, the higher the number, that'll show up first. So if you want a specific banner you've uploaded to show up first, just make sure you set the priority as high as possible. Next down here, we're gonna have the promo banner description. So this is just so you know what the promo banner was for. So here, we'll just do test banner. Here is where you can add the app image and the desktop image. So again, for app, it's going to be 1600 by 530, and then for web, it's going to be 1600 by 400. Next on the list, we have the trigger. So the trigger is going to be what pages you want this promo banner to show up on. So if you want it shown up on all your pages, you can leave this blank. But for example, say you have a promo banner, you only want to show up on pages where wine is present, where a wine product is. What you can do is change the field to be views, includes wine. And what this will do is, as opposed to having the promo banner shown on every page throughout the website, that promo banner is only going to show up on pages that have wine on it. Next on the list is just going to be the action. So this is what's going to happen when you click the banner. So you could have it just say if it's your hours scrolling through, no action, or you can do it to apply a coupon, open a product, display a group of products, open an event, or open a URL. And then with display products, this one that we just see most often, you would put a title, say like wine, and then search with wine if you wanted it to link out with all wines. If you wanted it to link out to items with a certain tag, you would put the tag under search with. And then you would click update action, and you'll be good to go. And I just got that error because I hadn't uploaded an image, but if you've uploaded an image already and you click update, that'll be good to go. And then last but not least, we have just the time parameter down here. So say you only want this showing for a week, it's for a specific promotion. You can go ahead, click enabled, put the start time. So I want it to run next week from 12 a.m. to Friday of next week until 12 a.m. We would enable that time here. And then as opposed to having to come in, toggle it on and off, it'll be automatically turned on this day at this time, and then automatically turned off day at this time. And then just to save it, we'll go ahead, click save up here, and your promo banner will be ready to go. Typically, it takes anywhere from, I would say, around 10 minutes to up to a half hour for it to initially show on the site. So with that, if you're not seeing that right away, just make sure you have is enabled turned on. Make sure that if you have any triggers set, you're checking those specific pages or pages with those specific items on it, and you should be good to go.